Hello traders. Before we start, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, on my screen right now, I'm going through the hidden gem EA listing on the MQL5 marketplace. First thing I notice is that the platform support isn't explicitly broken down into MT5 here. All right, but of course we can see that this is the MT4 version. So if you want to use this EA, then you should have the MetaTrader 4 platform. Meanwhile, the EA is priced at 499 US dollars with a 3-month rental option of 250 US dollars. It is developed by Rachid El Jafari, and it's currently on version 2.2 with a recent update listed in January 17, 2026, and a small number of activations so far. Moving into the description, the developer positions this as an AI powered trading system that focuses heavily on data driven decision making. It is designed to analyze multiple indicators and market relationships using machine learning concepts like neural networks and reinforcement learning. Now, what stands out here is the emphasis on adaptive behavior. The EA is described as constantly refining its strategy based on market conditions, which suggests it is built to adjust rather than operate with fixed rules. Now, as I scroll further, I also notice a strong focus on risk management. The system is built around avoiding high risk strategies entirely. So, no greed trading, no martingale, and no hedging. Okay, it only takes one trade at a time, which suggests a more controlled exposure approach. Now, there is also a mandatory stop loss on every trade, along with what the developer calls smart session filtering. That basically means it avoids volatile periods like news spikes or unstable market conditions to reduce unpredictable movement exposure. Another interesting part is that the EA comes with pre optimized default settings, meaning it is designed to be used without heavy configuration. That makes it accessible even for users who don't want to spend time tuning parameters. Now, before we move into the testing section, the recommended setup includes instruments like major forex pairs, indices, and gold, with a 15 minutes time frame being the primary structure for analysis. Now, shifting into the back testing view, I just want to look at the historical performance results that have been provided for analysis. Okay. um we can see what we have here, but we're going to be running our own testing. Okay, and then examine the results based on the duration that we're going to be using. So I'm just going to head over to a strategy tester right now. We're testing the hidden gem EA on XAU USD M15 time frame using the every tick model, of course, but we are going to be running the test just over the past month. Okay, 1 month and 1 week. All right, but I recommend running the test over a longer period of time so you can capture more market conditions. Okay, based on what we have here, the the EA seems to have performed well. All right, but then over this recent few weeks, we can also see that okay, just 22 trades taken, total net profit 94 cents from $50,000 deposit. Short positions we are 8 with 50% win rate. Long positions we are 14 with 28.57% win rate. Largest profit was 1.85, largest loss 0.65, average profit 1.26, average loss 0.65. Based on this information here, the risk to reward ratio is okay. And then this EA seems to be the type to capture short-term price movement, because you can see largest profit is just 1.85, largest loss 0.65. So the EA is a scalper and it targets short-term price movement. Now let's just quickly look at the EA in action. So I'm turning on the visual mode and same settings. Okay, so we can just see the EA in action. So from what I can see, and based on the information that we have at hand, um, the focus here is on structured execution with controlled risk per trade rather than aggressive trade frequency or high volume stacking. So the behavior appears more selective, which aligns with the idea of an AI driven decision system filtering only higher probability setups. So now, as the chart develops in this historical view, what stands out is how the EA seems to prioritize protecting capital first, with stops and exits managed consistently rather than letting trades run without structure. But as always with backtesting, longer testing periods generally provide a more reliable picture of how the system behaves across different market cycles. So it is something I would personally recommend viewers to validate over extended time frames as well. Okay, so looking at the overall historical results, it's important to frame this strictly as historical backtest performance and historical analysis. Even with strong performance metrics mentioned in the description, real world results can vary depending on broker executions, spreads, slippage, risk settings, and overall market conditions. Okay, so before using something like this live, I would always suggest running forward tests on a demo account first and adjusting settings to match your own risk tolerance and trading environment. Okay, so to wrap this up, Hidden Gem EA is presented as a more institutional style AI trading system with a strong focus on structured risk management and adaptive decision making. So the main takeaway here is that it is built around controlled exposure and selective trading rather than high frequency or aggressive strategies. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.